Ngokutsho kwaMeyara uCampbell akghonakala ukuthi basule iinkwelede zaphambilini zezakhamizi nanyana kutshotshozelwa ukuthi zisulwe nje baphathi baphambilini bakamasipalata lo. uCampbell uthi nabo babhalela ukwenza lokho basaphethe. Gazi ANC iphakamise ukuthi kusulwe i-18 billion rands emalini 23 billion rands yesikwelede sezakhamizi ezikwelede umasipalata. Batsho isizathu ukuthi sikhuphuka kakhulu isibalo sabantu abangasebenziko kanti nabantu abanengi balahlekelwe imisebenzi ngebanga lengogwana ye-COVID-19.
We will be dealing with the residents who are in dire need through our policies that are available to us, but also to ask the residents to assist us by going to the customer care centres to register if they do qualify for these reliefs that we are trying to assist them with.
Imeyara ithi isiqundu esinjalo singamlimaza kakhulu umasipalata angabhalelwa nakufikisa izenzelo ebantwini. Ukhumbuze izakhamuzi ukuthi umasipalata wabo wamenyezelwa njengomasipalata ekungasiseki kuye ngesikhathi kusaphethe i-ANC. Kodwana abaphathi baphambilini bathi ngomnyaka 2018 isiqundu sathathwa ngesiphethamthetho sokusula iinkwelede saba yimpumelelo phambilini. Ngokutsho kwe-ANC batsho kufanele kusulwe iinkwelede zabantu esele basepensionini abangasebenziko nabatlhagako.
Whether in their families people were working or not working, whether there was a source of income, on the basis of that a decision was made that there must be a collective approach where we can ensure that we can relieve our citizens of the debt, and we were able to do that.
Idoropa lekurhuleni lithembise ukuthi lizokuphenya zonke iintjhukumiso eziphakanyiswe batjhagala bakwaThema ngomvulo. Kubalwa hlangana nendaba zokuthi badinywa ilungelo lokwenza amahlelo ukuthi babhadele njani iinkwelede zabo. Kanti kuzokubekela ngeqadi imali yokulungisa izenzelo eziletha igezi kuye nemithangala sisekelo luphalako.